Hi, it's Jennifer White with the MJW Group, and today I wanted to share a few reasons with you why it's so important to standardize in your business. Now, a lot of people get very frustrated when it comes to documenting and standardizing how you work, and it can be quite boggling at times, but that's why you have us here at the MJW Group to help you. It's so important and it's a great value to do this, especially if you're growing and scaling like we are here at the MJW Group. So, with onboarding, you want to make sure that you have a standardized way of onboarding a client or customer, a supplier, or a new employee. There should be one way of doing that. There shouldn't be infinite number of ways of onboarding because you will have confusion as people enter into your environment at different stages of the year. Also, core processes are important. This would frustrate me quite a bit when I was in industry because people never seem to understand where their work would start from where you handed the baton to them. So, having core processes defined for your functions in your organization is very important as well. Also, a service delivery approach. So we are a service-based business and we have a certain approach that we take our clients through as we're providing services from strategy through execution. And you should have a similar approach. Doesn't matter if you're a service-based business or a product-based business, there's a workflow of how you're getting those goods and services to your customer at the end of the day. So I do have more items in this checklist. And if you're interested to receive the full list, then click on the link below and I will make sure to send it out to you. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Bye-bye.